Hi everybody, this is Phyllis Stoller. I'm standing in my second bedroom and I'm beginning to think about what to pack for our upcoming trip. This is the first video of a few where I'm going to share with you how I pack. Not to say that I'm an expert, not to say that I don't overpack sometimes too, but we're going to have a few lessons in how to pack. So over here, if I show you, is my carry-on bag. It's a very light British bag called a T1. It won't last forever, but it will surely help you on the plane. Here's the beginning pile of some of my clothes that I generally don't wear, but they're sun-proofed. And this trip is going to the Emirates and Oman, so it is going to be very sunny and pretty hot. I pulled out these from my